Hello there, another video from me. This arrived today from eBay. Flag by CISA Por Homme. I don't know. Does sound a bit like a perfume, doesn't it? Never come across Flag brand, don't know what it is. Nice box. Looks like a standard CISA padlock. 50mm. Interesting looking fitting. Let's give it a go. Alright. First up, let's see if we can find a nice attention tool. That's a bit sloppy. Equally sloppy. We don't want something too much because it's going to bite into the body. So let's have another crack. These tensioners I got from Tool in the US. Oh, that's better. You can see it's now. And they're called their tremendous turners, and they are worth every penny because they really don't skip and jump. So let's see how things go. So, see, it's raining here in the UK. Oh, okay. I was expecting something slightly more exciting than that, but there we go. So that's the Flag by CISA. Big open. Anyway, take care everyone. Stay safe. Wash those hands.